Hey guys, today I'm going to do a review of the Spyder Zyclo helmet from Spyder. So I got this from an online shop here in the Philippines called Lazada for 2,295, excluding shipping. So I had it shipped um, here in my province, and it took around 2 days. So that's pretty impressive to be shipped here. It's original. It has an ICC sticker, and this is the reason I bought this helmet is for the Vespa. My Vespa has a small compartment, so it cannot carry a proper helmet. And the old helmet I got then was this one. This is an HJC CS2N, so it fits perfectly inside the compartment. So let me show you. But the problem with this helmet really is it doesn't have a visor and also an inner visor. So this is an inner visor and also a shield. This doesn't have it. Just has this flap. So this is the HJC CS2N. Let's open this up. As you can see, this is my compartment. I got my rain gear there in the rag, and this fits perfectly inside there. Close. No issue. But the problem is every time it rains, a lot of rain goes into my face. If there's a lot of smoke gets into my face and into my nose also. So it's nice to have a windshield, and also when it's sunny, I usually wear a pair of sunglasses, but this one I have an inner visor here. Okay, so that's why I got this one. And my main concern also for getting this one is it needs to fit the compartment. So I was looking at this one. I couldn't get a proper sizing, a proper measurement online. So I just took the risk of yeah, it's only around $50 US dollars. So I got it, and fortunately this is a size large. It fits. Not much room to spare. So yeah, that's a bit tight there. You need to get these flaps inside, and there you go. There's more force to close it, so it's actually pinning down the helmet, but still, I get this. So this is nice. This is a nice alternative. So if you have a Vespa 300 or something similar, maybe a Vespa 150, I think we have the same size for the compartment, and you need a helmet with a shield on and a sun shield and also an inner visor, then I recommend the Spyder Zyclo. Some gripes that I have here. Well, I'm not going to complain. Is that when you wear the helmet, it feels a bit awkward. So let me try to show you how I wear it. Yeah. So yeah, this is my face. Still with a balaclava. So no. So this is how you. Here's a good thing about it. Even with glasses on, you can wear it properly. There. It doesn't have a double D-ring, it has a clip. So you just clip with one hand. You can easily do it with one hand, but it's much easier to do it with two hands. So as I tell, yeah, two hands it is then. There you go. Now, if you look, it looks a bit awkward on the side. So you just need to. There's some space at the back, but that's really comfortable. So it's good. It has a nice fit. Here's one thing I don't like: the visor. As you can see, it's right on my face, and it does not cover my chin. So it just covers this one. So that's just enough to give me some cover from smoke if I'm doing a bit of a fast speed, because this is a 300cc scooter, so it likes to do 80 kilometers per hour easily. So when I'm doing that, there's a lot of wind. Solves it. But it's very noisy. Don't expect it to be quiet. Come on, guys. This is an open face helmet. It's supposed to be loud. It's also very eyeglass friendly. As you can see, I did not need to take out my glasses to put on the helmet. Another problem. The inner visor. You just need to take that out. It hits the glasses. Because as you can see with the visor, see the clearance? It's too there's not a lot of clearance there. So with the visor on, it's going to hit this, and there's no way that you can take this down with the glasses. Maybe a different design of glasses, but take out my glasses, put that in the visor. Yeah, there, you just need to bring it down a bit. Yeah, it has some good coverage, but still at the edge, so you need just to bring it down, and when you bring it down, that's the proper coverage, but it hits the nose. But still, a small frame, small shell with inner visor and a visor that fits the Vespa. It's good. I recommend it. It's a nice alternative. If you guys know any kind of other helmet that's similar like this, there's a visor that has this one. Let me know in the comments below that fits in the Vespa 300. So if you have a Vespa 300 and you have an alternative, let me know. So I'd like to have a nice helmet. I'm also planning to put the Vespa here, the top box, the original Vespa one. It's a bit expensive. I'm just waiting for it to arrive here in the Philippines because I already had one ordered, same color as the Vespa black. So it's expensive, but it's a Vespa. I don't want to put anything that does not look all right with the bike. So that yeah, I had that on order. And when I have that, I can now put on a full face helmet in the compartment, so I can use that. I have a Shoei Neotech that I plan to use as my daily helmet. Much safer, much more comfortable, and I rarely use it, so might as well use it in the city. Right? Cheers, guys. Bye.